In this video, I'm going to show you a great way to get better keywords out of the Google AdWords keyword tool. Now, if you haven't seen the previous video, you'll want to watch that video where I show you how to get better search volume numbers from both Google AdWords as well as some other sources to get better estimates for the amount of times a keyword is searched each month. I'll put a link in the video here so that you can click to that video if you haven't seen that yet. Let's get started. Now, if you want better results from the Google AdWords Keyword Planner, you have to work a little differently than everyone else. So most people come to the Google AdWords Keyword Planner and they simply click on this search for new keywords using a phrase, website, or category, and then they just paste a bunch of keywords into this text box. So let's say, as an example, that these were our starting keywords, okay? So let's say we had fishing tips, fishing tackle, fishing for bass, fishing rod, and fishing reel. What most people would do is they would simply come here, they would copy this, they would paste it into this field, and they would hit search and they would get back their results, and that's fine. But one little tip that will help you get much better results is only paste in one keyword at a time. So instead of pasting all these in, just paste in the single keyword, fishing tips, and then proceed from there to pull those results up, and so you'll get this back. If you click right here, you can download the ideas. You'll notice there's 701 here listed. So if we download these ideas, we'll download them to a CSV file, comma separated value file. You can open that with Notepad. You can open it with Excel, OpenOffice. When you're finished putting all your ideas in individually, you will now have a bunch of different comma separated value files containing the keywords and the search volume. I've already gone ahead and I've done that just to save time on the video, but I want to show you what happens when you use this method versus just pasting in the keywords like most people do. So here you'll see this column here represents, these two columns here represent if we had pasted in all of the keywords at once and click search at Google AdWords Keyword Tool, those ones I just showed you, and you'll see we have a total of 706 results we got back when we did that. This column here represents what happens when we paste one keyword at a time and then download the file, paste the second keyword, download the file, and then we just simply grab those terms and copy them. And you'll see now we have a total of 1,915 keywords. Now, what I've done with the highlighting here is to show you anything that's not highlighted in this column is a keyword we would not have gotten back had we pasted in all the keywords at once. So you can see there's lots and lots of keywords here we would not have seen. Now, your competitors and the companies that you're competing against, they're using probably this simple method of just pasting in a bunch of keywords, hitting search, and then looking through those terms to find their terms. If you will take the extra few minutes it takes, doesn't take long, to simply go in and paste one keyword at a time, you will get back a ton of great keywords that others aren't seeing because they're using this other method. And in actuality, when I ran the numbers, there's a total of 3.8 million searches represented by these keywords here that you would miss if you simply just copied and pasted those 5 terms in and hit search of the Google AdWords Keyword Planner. Once you've used the Google Keyword Planner to find lots of new keyword ideas, what do you do with all those keywords? The biggest problem is that there's so many keyword tools out there that you can get hundreds of thousands of keywords by spending a day using the different keyword tools. But what do you do with all that information? The answer is a cool tool called Keyword Grouper Pro. And Keyword Grouper Pro is completely free. There's not even an opt-in. You just simply download the tool. Now, at the top of this video, there's a link. If you'll click that, I'll show you exactly how to use Keyword Grouper Pro. It doesn't matter where you got your keywords from. I'm going to show you how to take those keywords, group them into tight groups, and then you can set up your campaigns and know exactly which groups represent buyers. And once you know where the buyers are at, you can simply focus your marketing in that area to make more profit in your business.